Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by x. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that negative 1 over s next to y. This is for integrating factor. And we have like this. And we know that we have the second formula in here. So negative, that is about negative number 1. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now we need to transform this one into this one. That means we need to multiply both sides by 1 over s. This one we have number 1. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have y over s. The integration of the s, we have s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.